What are you gonna see today?
The chickens.
Don't. Alright, let's go. Thanks for the egg today. Bye.
Hello.
Say excuse me to the chickens, okay?
Excuse me. Can I go on?
Ooh, you see that? Get in, mana.
Ooh, I see. One egg.
Wait, can you show us the egg? Amazing. Okay, come on. Say thank you, chicken.
Thank you, chickens.
Wait. For the egg.
Let's go inside.
Wait, can I see this egg? Wait, stop moving. So. Slow, wait. Slow 360. Okay. Wait, I know where to put it.
Huh?
Wash it pa natin. Wash it.
Oh yeah. Can I wash it can I wash it here? Okay. But I need to stand
I'll
on.
wash it. Wait, not too close. Okay, do a small 360. Wow, amazing. Now you can dry it. Yeah. Just dry it back in the bathroom.
Look at that.
Okay, now let's put it back. The refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Yeah, hold on, I'll get